On his way to the Monster Truck Show in Birmingham. It happened Saturday on Corridor X in Walker County. Dill says the deer just jumped right out in front of his SUV, totaling his car. Luckily, he's okay, but at least he has this to brag about, right? He had a really big deer. I don't deer hunt, but I'm told this is really huge. A 15-point buck.
Wow.
And a 26-inch spread. Now, Jamie, Mark Prater is our local deer hunter. Is that big?
That is a monster.
It's not one you want to hit with your car, though. I will say that.
No, not at all. And I don't know if I could even shoot it. I mean, you see something that looks like an elk coming out. You got to, hey, but no, there are big deer like that in Alabama, but they just don't come out until night. So that, of course, kind of explaining why he was hit, but certainly a beautiful deer there. Let's start off with a quick look at the tropics. Yes, I said the tropics. Can you believe we have a hurricane? This is Alex. Alex is actually out in the Atlantic Ocean, more so headed over towards England as well as Europe. But that's the first time we've had a hurricane in the month of January in the Atlantic since 1938, when Jim was born. So we've got temperatures. Thank you. I'm here all night. We've got temperatures gradually falling tonight, but there is a good bit of moisture that is increasing. So with that in mind, we will start to get an isolated sprinkle or shower, especially in our southern counties after midnight. Temperatures range anywhere from 51 now in Gadsden to 57 in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, 58 now for Jasper. Alabaster, you're reporting in at 55. There's no rain here in Alabama at this point, but all of the showers and even a few rumbles of thunder are now stretching from Louisiana, or actually southeast Louisiana near New Orleans over towards Baton Rouge, and will continue to track towards the north and east, and here we are. So that gives you an idea of where all of this is headed, and it should be arriving as we get later into tonight. Cloud cover moved in, and it will continue to hang around. There might be a pocket or two, but there's your rain chance through tonight into early tomorrow morning. Best potential, according to our forecast data, is from I-65 eastward for the first wave. On the back side of this low pressure, we will have a few light sprinkles that wrap around, head into Marion, Coleman, Walker, and Jefferson counties by tomorrow afternoon at about 5 o'clock. Nothing heavy, nothing strong here, and all of this will track towards the south and east as we get into Saturday night, and then, or actually Friday night into early Saturday. Now, we do have another impulse that will pass through here by Saturday night into early Sunday, which could produce a few isolated flurries or maybe a raindrop or two. That would be about the extent of it. And again, I'm talking about this is a long shot to even get a few flurries in here, but we'll certainly watch it carefully. Temperatures tonight down into the low and mid 40s, not as chilly as it has been, but the rain chances tomorrow with highs into the upper 50s and low 60s. East Alabama, not much different. We'll have the clouds through the night tonight. Chance of showers beginning especially roughly at about 3 to 5 o'clock in the morning, and that will start from Shelby and Chilton counties and track towards the north and east. So here's your forecast tonight. 44 cloudy skies and an isolated sprinkles possible. Winds not that strong at all. And here's your storm track 7-day. There's the 20% for a few light sprinkles on Sunday, but the real story is going to be how cold it gets Sunday night. It's going to become windy and cold with lows headed back down into the upper teens, low 20s, and highs first of next week, upper 30s.